Hello, good morning and good evening everyone. Today I'm going to cook fish galonggong. First thing, we are going to slice the fish like halfway. And then today, because outside it's raining, so I decided to marinate the fish. All of that I need to slice. But when in the Philippines, we can cook this for deep fried, or we call paksiw. We put like vinegar and put a little bit salt or everything, or we put the salt, and then if you have the sun, you have to dry it at the sun. So you can do that smoke too on the where's the kitchen, where's the firewoods, like a smoke, like sausage smoke. So you can do that too. So any kind, or you can cook this with soup and adobo. This kind of fish is one of my favorite fish in ocean fish. It's very cheap and very delicious. So now it's done cutting, guys. The galonggong is finished to slice, so we need to clean really good, take out the gills and some of intestine. So outside it's raining, so we have no sun here in Texas right now. So I decided to marinate. So I bought this Asian Korean store, like Omart, they call Omart here. I bought this fish. So you have to, after you wash, you have to slit it, like cut it in the middle, both sides. So when you put the ingredients or seasoning, it's good through to the inside the meat of the fish. But you guys, you have to be careful when you cut, especially your knife is sharp, because this kind is very hard if you don't know how to slice the fish. So now I applied or put some fresh garlic and some powder or fish powder or chicken powder or beef stock, but I decided to put a beef powder stock. So both or whatever they're sliced, and then put like a lemon powder or lemon juice, and then black pepper, a little bit salt and sugar for this. So you have to repeat, and also onion, you have to do the same process of the rest of the fish. Make sure you have to apply whole the body of the fish, so the flavor is good through on your meat of your fish. And I add black pepper. So both sides. So you can marinate, guys, what I said. You can put on the sun if you have sun outside. So I decided this to put inside the refrigerator after marinate and put seasoning. I need to cover it and put the inside the rib, and then you have to add vinegar But the vinegar I put on the container. I put the vinegar, a little bit of lemon powder and black pepper.
Guys, good morning.
And also
Nagpakas ako ng
beef
galunggong
powder and a little bit sugar. So I mix it well. So I pour on that fish.
At vinegar.
So now the fish is done. So I need to cover the saran wrap and put away the refrigerator for whole night or 4 hours. So now I make hot the oil. So I need to deep fry the fish, making sure the fish is cooked and turn brown both sides. So this kind of fish is very good, guys. We need to eat this with rice and with sausawan, like deep sausawan with like little bit vinegar, garlic and onions and sliced tomatoes. Or if you have cucumber, you have to slice cucumber for the side dish or tomatoes. So now the fish is ready to sit aside. Now we have to add the rest of the fish and the same process. Making sure the fish is cooked. And believe me, you have to try it. It's very delicious and crispy. Even the bone you can eat it because the flavor is very good. But making sure you can add the soy sauce too. Making sure that don't put a lot of salt. Some Philippine people in Philippines, some of them just put salt and dry the sun, like very dry, and then fried it. We called it a dry fish. But what I said is no sun outside, so I decide marinate and put inside the refrigerator, and then make hot the oil, and then they fry. That's it. So now it's ready. So now, guys, I put sidings. What I said, cucumber, sliced cucumber, and then tomatoes on the side. So now, and then they put rice, white rice, thin rice. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And you need to try it. It's very delicious. Thank you very much. Happy Easter and God bless.